After you create new company in Sage Business Cloud Accounting, you can enter company details. To access this function, go to Company, change company settings. Select company details. Under company details section, you can select company details. In this screen, you can enter company name, telephone number, fax number, mobile number, contact name, email address. Now in this screen, you can enter your email address. There are two options. First one, use this email for communication. If you check on this checkbox and enter email address, when you send emails from the system, this email will display. Now in Sage Business Cloud Accounting System, you can email your invoices, quotations, sales order from the system. Go to Customers, Transactions, Customer Tax Invoices, click Actions, and you can email. You can email your tax invoices to your customers. Now when you are sending emails, if you check this first option, use this email for communication, system will send email mentioning that email address. Now in this email, you can see this email address will display. If you check second option, use mail service at accountingsage1.co.za as from address, that email address will display. CC email address. You can enter email address here, and any user send an email from the system, all emails will copy to this email address. You can enter email address and check on active CC this email. Always CC this email address, then system will send a copy to that email address. Postal address. You can enter your company postal address, physical address or other company information. Here you can enter your physical address if you have, or you can enter other details. If you enter any details here, if you want print in your invoices or transaction, you can print. After enter company details, you can save.